Yeah, Sherman tire change, y'all.
I would keep this.
So we unplugged these two, this one and that one.
Yep, that's the battery. So
Nice.
get that for a few bucks on Amazon.
That's lit. So you took out these ones and that one. Did you take out this one? Dude.
Do I need to? Yeah, I do.
So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Yeah.
You didn't have to do that on the other side. How come?
I need to tighten it. I'm just trying to tighten it.
Oh, you're tightening the other side. Oh, I see, I see.
These are two super long ones,
Yeah.
and then so that goes loose, and there's like there's just 4 little screws
Cool.
that goes here, and then once you take them out, you just slide it up,
Nice.
and this one pops out.
Sweet.
Now we're on the tire.
He released the valve stem with a special tool.
Yeah, that way it would deflate all of it.
It deflated all of it. And then we're gonna get the tire off.
This is not my favorite. When I show a video, the guy has a special tool to like this. There's like a tool where you put this and this, and then you just open it and then you just go like that, and it will undo the tire. But mine doesn't do that, so I have to do this out of the way.
Okay.
Or yeah, first I want to spray some. Get that loosened up.
Nice.
Oh, there it is. Oh, wow, that's really easy. Never mind. All right, hammer is a new trick.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got to do the other side, but this time. Oh, wow, it was just easier to pop out. Because the other side needs to undo the bead too. So that's what I'm doing. Three tire spins.
Oh shit.
By yourself.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. 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 Yeah, Sherman tire change, y'all. There's water in there?
Yeah, from the spray.
Oh. Dope.
Sometimes there's slime in there, which can be a little messy.
Oh, wow.
But, alright, there it is.
Nice.
By the way, undo this. You don't have to.
Don't undo
This
that.
is the motor mount. This
Yeah.
is where the suspension sits.
How come it goes like this?
Because the suspension moves.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, when it's put together, it's rock solid.
Yeah.
So what I like to do.
Don't undo those. Don't take that
So like
off.
soap water is better. I just have this. This will help me make things slippery, you know?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is this is
Yeah. Can't wait.
I struggled before. I spent like an hour putting on the tire because it's so hard putting. The easiest way to do it is to make everything wet.
Okay.
The more soap and water you put, the easier it puts on. So put in like a decent amount.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna do this without tire spin. Work your way up.
Nice.
Easy as that.
Yeah.
This is the trick. I did it without the soap, and it took me like, I was like, ugh, it's not going down, and I was like, a tire spoon,
Yeah.
blending them. But once you ever get soap and water, it'll slip right in.
Yeah.
Now another tricky part.
Oh, to make the bead?
Yeah.
You're gonna.
So, tire compressor will help. I'm borrowing my friend's,
Heck yeah.
so I'm gonna be a little loud.